Hello everyone, welcome to Integrate Now. My name is Shivraj. So today we are going to discuss on a topic called as a data view filter, how to use the data view filter operator to filter the input XML and convert it to a desired output. So let's look at the input output structure. So if you look right, I have an XML input payload. It has the employee details, employee data with type, account department. Under this, you have the employee details. There are two employees present with different name and different designation. And same goes here for the type teaching department. We have two employees with two different names and the designation. So I have to filter this input XML to get the output JSON array. Okay, and it should contain only the name and designation objects in the output where the type belongs to teaching department. So let's directly jump into coding. Let me copy this input and go to data view editor and make input as an XML. So let me try to iterate over the employee details payload dot. So let me try to refresh it. Change into to XML. So if you look at my payload, right, it's coming in a JSON format. So now I want to go inside the employee details payload dot employee details, and you can see this key data is having entire object of employee where the type is equal to the first one, that is account department, and second data key is having the details of the employee details of the type teaching department. So I have to get the second one, okay, based on the type filter. Okay, so let's extract complete data of all the employees, so that can be achieved using multi-value selector dot star data. So now if you look right, now I have got all the employees here. Okay, but I have to filter only those employee name and designation where type is in teaching department. So in order to do that, let me wrap this entire data in a parenthesis and make use of a filter operator. I can make use of a filter operator. As you can see here, it is an array. On top of this, I'm going to use a filter. So filter. So now what I'm going to do is item dot at type. Okay, in order to access the XML attributes, right, I want to check for this type. Okay, equal to teaching department. Okay, so let me copy. So you can make use of at annotation. So this should be equal to teaching department. So now you can see that I have got the employee details for the teaching department. Okay, but if you look at the output structure, right, it should be an array and it should have two objects, okay, containing name and designation. So in order to do that, so if you observe this one, right, array, it is having one object which is at index 0. Inside that you have the keys. Okay, again we can make use of the multi-value selector, that is star operator, to get only these value. If I give dot star employee, it is going to give me the return me the JSON object. So let's try again, wrap this completely and give index of 0. Okay, now I'm going to use a multi-value selector dot star employee. So now if you look at this, right, we have got the expected output. Okay, so it's same. So that's it from this video. I'll try to come up with more use cases. So I'll be attaching the input data scripts and output Google Drive link in the description. Thank you so much, guys. Happy learning.